Good morning. Happy Monday. We're going to start our morning meeting with the day. So, today is. This picture means today. All right, so what is today? Today is Monday. If you have your morning meeting folder, you can touch Monday. If not, you can go get it now, or you can touch the screen gently. Monday. Good job. All right, the month is, this picture means month. The whole month is colored in. Does anyone remember what the month was? We talked about it, and this month it likes to rain a lot. Can you find the month that has rain on it? April. The month is April. Touch April. Okay, the date is April the 20th. 20. The weather. All right, for the weather, you need to go look outside. Miss Ainsley's looking outside and the weather is sunny. Is it sunny when you're watching morning meeting? The temperature is. So remember, if we're in school, we look up the temperature on the computer or on Miss Ainsley's phone. Right now, this morning, it's 45 degrees, but it's gonna get up to 65 degrees. So today is gonna be warm. But if you're watching this early, right after I made it, it's cool outside. Can you touch warm? Good job. All right, next we're going to look at our schedule. So our schedule for today, Monday, April 20th, you're listening to morning meeting right now. And then the two core subjects I need you to do are math and reading. So reading, you're going to listen to the next chapter of our book. And in math, you're going to continue to work on those shapes and do another assessment for me on your iPads. And then I need everyone to work on their IEP goals today, whether that's on Boom Learning or you work with your parents with the stuff I sent home. We just need to work on some of our goals. Okay, I can't wait to see some of you all later in video calls or some pictures from your parents of you working so hard. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.